Have you ever felt a whisper in the depths of your soul, a yearning for something more, something beyond the mundane routines of daily life? Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered about the mysteries that lie beyond the confines of our earthly existence? What if I told you that the answers to these questions lie within you, waiting to be unlocked like a treasure hidden in plain sight? Welcome to the journey of unlocking the portal, a journey to the new earth and higher consciousness. It is a journey of self-discovery, transformation and awakening, a journey that beckons to the deepest parts of our being with promises of fulfillment, purpose and divine connection. In this video, we will embark on an exploration of the inner landscape, delving into the realms of the soul and the mysteries of higher consciousness. We will uncover the keys to unlocking the portal that leads to the new earth, a reality where love, unity and harmony reign supreme. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of a lifetime? Let us dive deep into the heart of existence and discover the wonders that await us on the path to higher consciousness. In the quest for a new earth, a realm of elevated consciousness and unity, the journey commences not in the external world, but within the depths of our own being. This realization, pivotal and transformative, marks the beginning of a profound exploration, an exploration of the inner landscape where the portal to this new reality awaits. It is imperative to understand that the new earth is not a distant utopia, nor is it a realm accessible only to the enlightened few. Rather, it is a state of being that resides within each and every one of us, a potential waiting to be realized, a seed yearning to sprout and flourish. This understanding shifts the paradigm from one of external seeking to internal exploration, from striving to arrive at a destination to embracing the journey of self-discovery and inner transformation. At the core of this journey lies the recognition that the answers we seek, the wisdom we long for, and the transformation we desire are not to be found in the external world, but within the recesses of our own consciousness. Here, amidst the tapestry of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences, lies the portal to the new earth, a gateway to a reality where love, unity, and harmony reign supreme. Self-discovery becomes the guiding light in this journey, a compass that directs our exploration of the inner landscape. It is a process of peeling back the layers of conditioning, societal programming, and egoic identification to reveal the truth of who we are at our core. This truth, often obscured by the noise of the external world, holds the key to unlocking the dormant potential within us, a potential waiting to be unleashed in service of the greater good. The path of self-discovery is not always easy, nor is it devoid of challenges. It requires courage to confront the shadows that lurk within, the fears, insecurities, and limiting beliefs that have held us captive for so long. Yet it is precisely through this process of confrontation and integration that we pave the way for profound transformation. As we shed the layers of illusion and embrace the truth of our being, we emerge reborn, liberated from the shackles of the past and empowered to create anew. Central to the journey of self-discovery is the practice of inner listening, the art of tuning into the wisdom of our own hearts and souls. In the stillness of meditation, the silence of contemplation, and the introspection of self-inquiry, we attune ourselves to the subtle whispers of our inner guidance. Here, amidst the depths of our own being, we find the clarity, insight, and intuition needed to navigate the complexities of life with grace and wisdom. Through self-discovery, we come to understand that the new earth is not a distant destination, but a state of being, a reality that exists within us and awaits our conscious embodiment. It is a journey of remembrance, a return to the truth of who we are and the interconnectedness of all life. As we embark on this journey, let us heed the call of the portal within, to explore, to awaken, and to embrace the infinite possibilities that await us on the path to the new earth. In the intricate tapestry of existence, we often find ourselves ensnared by the illusion of separation, an illusion perpetuated by the egoic mind, which perceives the world through the lens of duality. Yet, as we embark on the journey of self-discovery and inner transformation, we begin to unravel the threads of this illusion, peering beyond the veil to behold the profound truth of unity consciousness. At its essence, unity consciousness is the recognition that beneath the surface of individuality lies a deep and immutable interconnectedness that binds all beings and phenomena together. It is the understanding that the separation we perceive is but a mirage, a trick of the mind that obscures the underlying fabric of oneness that permeates the cosmos. As we delve deeper into the recesses of our being, we come to understand that this illusion of separation is not inherent to our true nature, but is instead a construct of the ego, a survival mechanism that seeks to differentiate and delineate in order to navigate the complexities of the physical world. Yet, beneath the layers of egoic conditioning lies a deeper truth, a truth that transcends the limitations of individual identity and embraces the boundless expanse of universal consciousness. Awakening to unity. Consciousness is not merely a cognitive realization, but a profound shift in perception, a transformation of consciousness that transcends the confines of the egoic mind. It is a journey from the narrow confines of self-interest to the expansive embrace of all life, a recognition that we are not separate, isolated entities, but integral aspects of a greater whole. At the heart of unity, consciousness lies empathy, a deep and abiding empathy that arises from the understanding that the joys and sorrows of another are inextricably linked to our own. In recognizing the inherent interconnectedness of all beings, we cultivate a profound sense of compassion, a compassion that extends not only to our fellow humans, but to all sentient beings and the earth itself. This recognition of our interconnectedness also fosters a deep reverence for all life, a reverence born of the understanding that each being, from the tiniest insect to the mightiest mountain, is imbued with the same divine essence. In honoring the sacredness of all life, we come to recognize the inherent value and dignity of every being, and we strive to act in ways that uphold and protect the sanctity of existence. Awakening to unity consciousness is a journey of remembrance, a return to the truth of who we are and our inherent connection to all that is. It is a journey that calls us to transcend the limitations of the egoic mind and embrace the vastness of universal consciousness. In doing so, we not only transform ourselves, but contribute to the transformation of the world, ushering in an era of peace, harmony, and collective flourishing. In the pursuit of a new earth, one governed by unity, consciousness, and elevated states of being, it becomes paramount to understand and embody the frequencies of love, compassion, and joy. These vibrational energies serve as the bedrock upon which the new reality is constructed, a reality characterized by harmony, balance, and interconnectedness. At the core of the New Earth paradigm lies the recognition that all of existence is composed of energy, vibrating at various frequencies. Love, compassion, and joy represent some of the highest frequencies within this spectrum, radiating with a potency that transcends the confines of the material world. When we align ourselves with these frequencies, we not only elevate our own consciousness, but also contribute to the collective elevation of humanity as a whole. Love, the most potent of these frequencies, becomes the guiding force that shapes our thoughts, words, and actions. It is a love that extends beyond the boundaries of the individual self, a love that embraces all of creation with boundless compassion and acceptance. This love is not contingent upon external circumstances or the actions of others, but emanates unconditionally from the depths of our being. It is a love that heals, unites, and transforms, a love that recognizes the inherent divinity within all beings and seeks to honor and uplift it. Compassion, born from the wellspring of love, is the empathetic response to the suffering of others. It is the ability to see beyond the surface manifestations of pain and recognize the shared humanity that binds us all together. When we cultivate compassion within ourselves, we open our hearts to the struggles and challenges of others, offering support, understanding, and kindness wherever it is needed. Compassion is not merely a passive sentiment, but a dynamic force for change, a force that drives us to alleviate suffering and promote the well-being of all beings. Joy, the third pillar of these higher frequencies, is the natural state of the soul, when unburdened by the constraints of fear and separation. It is a state of profound contentment, gratitude, and celebration, a recognition of the beauty and wonder that permeate every moment of existence. Joy arises when we align ourselves with the flow of life, surrendering to the innate wisdom of the universe and embracing each experience with open arms. It is a joy that transcends the ephemeral pleasures of the material world and taps into the infinite reservoir of divine bliss that lies within us all. By consciously embracing these higher frequencies, love, compassion, and joy, we not only elevate our own consciousness, but also contribute to the collective transformation of humanity and the planet. Each act of love, each expression of compassion, and each moment of joy sends ripples of healing and upliftment throughout the web of existence, weaving a tapestry of harmony and unity. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, let us remember the power inherent within us to embody these frequencies and become beacons of light in a world often shrouded in darkness. Let us choose love over fear, compassion over indifference, and joy over despair, knowing that in doing so, we play a vital role in ushering in the dawn of a new earth, a reality characterized by love, unity, and limitless possibilities. Throughout human history, fear has served as a formidable force, shaping our perceptions, influencing our decisions, and perpetuating cycles of suffering and separation. It is a primal instinct deeply ingrained within the fabric of our consciousness, a survival mechanism designed to protect us from perceived threats and dangers. Yet, in the journey towards the new earth, a reality characterized by love, unity, and higher consciousness, we are called to confront and transcend our deepest fears, recognizing them not as barriers, but as invitations for growth and expansion. At its core, fear arises from a sense of separation, from the belief that we are isolated, vulnerable beings in a hostile and unpredictable world. It is fueled by the ego, which thrives on division, comparison, and the illusion of control. From this perspective, fear becomes a self-perpetuating cycle, a feedback loop of anxiety, insecurity, and avoidance that limits our potential and constrains our ability to fully engage with life. However, as we awaken to the truth of our interconnectedness and inherent divinity, we come to realize that fear is not an inherent aspect of our being, but a conditioned response, a learned behavior rooted in false beliefs and perceptions. It is a veil that obscures the radiant truth of who we are, a truth that transcends fear and limitation and embraces the boundless potential that lies dormant within us. In the journey towards transcending fear and limitation, the first step is awareness. Awareness of the ways in which fear manifests within our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By shining the light of consciousness upon our fears, we begin to unravel their grip upon us, discerning them not as immutable truths, but as transient phenomena arising from the conditioned mind. Next comes acceptance, an acceptance of our fears without judgment or resistance. It is an acknowledgement of our vulnerability, our humanity, and our capacity for growth and transformation. In embracing our fears with compassion and understanding, we create the space for healing and liberation to occur, releasing the hold they have upon us and opening ourselves to new possibilities. From this place of acceptance and awareness, we are empowered to confront our fears with courage and resilience. We recognize that fear is not an enemy to be vanquished, but a teacher to be embraced, a messenger guiding us towards greater self-awareness and evolution. With each step we take in the face of fear, we reclaim our power and reclaim our sovereignty, transcending the limitations that once held us captive and stepping into the fullness of our potential. Ultimately, the journey towards transcending fear and limitation is a journey of surrender, a surrender to the unknown, the uncertain, and the unknowable. It is a letting go of the need to control and manipulate life according to the dictates of the ego, and surrender to the wisdom of the heart and the guidance of the soul. In the absence of fear, we discover the boundless potential that lies dormant within us, waiting to be unleashed, a potential that knows no bounds and transcends the limitations of the egoic mind. As we continue on the path towards the new earth, let us remember that fear is not our enemy, but our ally, a catalyst for growth, transformation, and awakening. Let us embrace our fears with courage and compassion, knowing that in doing so, we reclaim our power and reclaim our freedom. In the absence of fear, we discover the limitless possibilities that await us and step boldly into the radiant truth of who we are, beings of infinite love, wisdom, and potential. In the grand tapestry of existence, the concept of the new earth transcends mere abstraction. It is a palpable reality waiting to be breathed into existence through the collective intention and creative power of humanity. This paradigm shift invites us to recognize our inherent role as co-creators of reality, wielding the potent forces of intention, purpose, and divine inspiration to shape the world in alignment with the highest aspirations of the human spirit. Central to this paradigm is the understanding that the new earth is not an elusive dream or a distant utopia, but a tangible manifestation awaiting our collective realization. It is a reality characterized by peace, abundance, and harmony. A world where love reigns supreme and all beings coexist in harmony with each other and the planet. As we awaken to this truth, we step into our roles as conscious co-creators, empowered to shape the world according to the dictates of our hearts and the guidance of our souls. At the heart of co-creation lies the recognition of our inherent creative power, the power to manifest our desires, intentions, and visions into tangible form. This creative power is not limited to a select few, but is the birthright of every human being, bestowed upon us by virtue of our divine nature. It is a power that resides within the depths of our being, waiting to be unleashed and expressed in service of the greater good. Through conscious intention, we harness this creative power to set forth our visions for the world, a world where love, compassion, and harmony prevail. With clarity of purpose and unwavering commitment, we infuse our intentions with the energy of divine inspiration, aligning ourselves with the highest frequencies of consciousness and co-creating a reality that reflects the radiant truth of who we are. Aligned action serves as the vehicle through which our intentions are made manifest in the physical realm. It is not enough to simply hold lofty ideals. We must also take tangible steps towards their realization. Each thought, word, and deed becomes a brushstroke on the canvas of existence, contributing to the masterpiece of the new earth. Through our actions, we anchor the energies of love, peace, and abundance into the fabric of reality, creating a fertile ground for transformation and growth. As we embark on this journey of co-creation, we do not do so alone. We are supported by the vast intelligence of the universe, which conspires to bring our intentions into fruition. Synchronicities, serendipities, and miracles abound, guiding our steps and affirming our alignment with the divine flow of life. Trusting in the inherent wisdom of the universe, we surrender to the unfolding of our visions, knowing that we are co-creating with forces far greater than ourselves. In the embrace of collective co-creation, we find strength, unity, and purpose. We recognize that each individual has a unique contribution to make to the tapestry of existence, and that together we are capable of weaving a reality of unparalleled beauty and wonder. As we stand on the threshold of the new earth, let us step boldly into our roles as co-creators of reality, weaving a world where love reigns supreme and the highest aspirations of the human spirit are realized. In the midst of uncertainty and upheaval, the portal to the new earth beckons, a gateway to a reality where love reigns supreme, unity is cherished, and consciousness ascends to ever greater heights. It is a journey of self-discovery, inner transformation, and collective evolution, a journey that begins with the recognition that we are the architects of our own destiny. As we unlock the portal within, we pave the way for a future of limitless possibilities, a future where the highest aspirations of the human heart are realized and the promise of a new earth is fulfilled.